Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will show you how you can do your backlink tactics in 2025. Most of the people don't know how to do the backlink tactics. Okay, so because if you are using your website backlink, like someone is trying to add your website link in other site, but they are not doing the backlink tactics. Backlink tactics will help you to get external traffic from some of the website and other site. Okay, so let me show you one by one how you can do the backlinks tactics one by one. Okay, so first of all, the first rule and first method is create high value and link worthy content, including publish ultimate guides. You can use guides related content and also original research and also state based post or case studies. You can share your insight, industry insight. You can share your ultimate guides, like how you can use your product, how you are using your information, and each and everything. Just guide people with your original research and also use your case studies like your previous testimonials and others. Okay, then also promote content through outreach to bloggers. Bloggers means you can find a site, bloggers. Here you can see this site. You can use your blogs in this site also, and after that you can link your website so people can find you through this website. Okay, bloggers and other journalist website in another option is Medium. You can, this is an article sharing website. You can also share your content here by using your website link. Okay, now here is the another tools like Ahrefs Content Explorers and BuzzSumo. If you go to the Ahrefs, here is the Ahrefs. This is a tool that are used for content research, keyword research and others. Okay, so here is the Ahrefs tools. If you want to do keyword research or content explorer, just you can search with content explorer. Content explorer, then you can see here is the content explorer option in Ahrefs. Okay, now you will just add your website here. You can see there is other site, learn.microsoft. You can just add your website here, and after that you can get the full content idea from those. Okay, and here is the tactics number 2, guest posting. Guest posting is the smarter way in this 2025. If you go to the Google and search with like guest posting site, you can see guest posting site. Here is, you can see, now you can see there are lots of website will be come to you, and you can see HubSpot, then Smashing Magazine, All Business. All those websites are using for guest posting. Okay, so you can use this website to post guestly. Okay, but you need to focus something here. You can see reach out authoritative website only with your niche. You can see I have added here some of the authoritative website, and you need to focus on this website only. And after that you can see high quality unique articles with contextual links. If your website links are not visible and if your website links are not similar with your niche article, then it cannot work. Okay, then also avoid spammy network. Focus on relevancy and authority. You need to just publish here, okay, this kind of website, and don't use any kind of spammy networks, any kind of spammy website who are harmful for your website. Okay, here is the broken link building. You can see broken link building means like you can use like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or you can search here like with 404 checker. So it will help you to check your dead link. Okay, now I'll go to my website Boostify. Boostify is a tool those help people to do the AI SEO. Like if you have a website and you don't have the time to do the manual SEO, then just use the Boostify and it will help you to do the AI SEO. Okay, so I'm copying this website, and after that I will search it here. Just a moment. Okay, here you can see check original code. You need to add the captcha, then you can see it will show my full website broken links. Just wait here and it is checking. Okay, so if you have any broken link here, if you have any broken internal link and also external link, then it will check. Okay, so you can use this tool to identify your broken link. And here you can see there are another website like Ahrefs, SEMrush, check my links, Chrome extension and others, and find broken outbound links to the relevant website. Okay, if you have any backlink in other sites, just test them and also check them they are working or not. Okay, contact the site owner and suggest your page as a replacement. If you are doing the backlink with other website, then if you have time or if you have the permission, then contact through your owner, okay, the website owner, and after that just tell him to replace your website with his backlinks, okay. And here is the tactic number 4, Harrow and Quoted. This is a digital peer site, like sign up for a help a reporter at Harrow. Harrow means this is a website. If you go to the Harrow, you can see Harrow link building. Here is the website. You can build your link by using this Harrow, okay. Just add your blog here, and after that link up your website, link up your some of the pages, and then it will work for your link building, okay. Here you can see, just sign up and also respond to journalist queries. Like journalist, someone, suppose you are uploading blog post in Harrow, and I will comment here with my website link and others. This will be a backlink. And here is the tactic number 5, Skyscraper technique. Skyscraper technique means find top performing content with lot of backlinks. Like if I search here in Google top backlink sites, you can see here is the 15 site for backlinks. You can see here is the Harrow, here is the source bottle, here is the business. So if I go to the Harrow, and after that I'll copy this, and then I'll check backlink checker. You can see if you search with this keyword, and you can see lots of tools are coming to you, and after that just enter your domain here. You will check only domain, okay. Then I am not a robot, perform check. Then it will help you to do the backlink checking, okay. Just wait here, and then you can see all the backlinks, how many backlinks they did. You can see external backlinks is 1000 plus, and you can see domain authority is 24, and you can see referring domain is 450, referring IP is 270. So I think this is a very big backlink site, okay. So you need to understand, and you need to find out the lots of backlinks website, okay. Then create a better, more comprehensive version. If you find out the keywords related or backlink related information, then you need to just contact those sites and then tell them, here is the site. So the site name is Harrow link building. So you need to contact with this site owner, and after that you need to tell them to replace your articles, replace your link building with their links. Then they could help you, and also they can help you to do better, okay. Here is the tactic number 6, link insertion or niche edit. Reach out to blog owners or offer value in exchange for inserting link into an existing relevant article. Like someone is posting articles. If you go to the Medium, then you can see lots of people are posting their articles in Medium. Just a moment, you need to add here. Here is the Medium, and if I continue with Google, then you can see it will continue. Just wait here, sign up. You can see I already signed up here. Now you can see lots of people are posting their articles, and someone is reading also. So I'll click on these articles, and after that I'll see who is posting this article. Then I will contact with him and also tell him to offer my backlinking. Like I will tell him to enter my link, enter my website link and pages to their articles, so people can read something from my website as well, and also people can redirect from his article to my website, okay. This is a very important things. And here you can see build linkable assets like tools, template, infographics. Like create free resources, calculator, checklist, templates, shareable infographics, and comparison charts. Like if you have the knowledge to create something in online, and people can interact with you, and people can interact the tools, like you can see Boostify is my tool, and when people will enter this website, then they will directly contact with me, and also people will see about my things, and I'm creating videos for my tools. And when you are seeing my video, and you can see this Boostify, and then typically you will enter my website to see the offer or to see the others option, okay. This is another option. So if you have time, if you have resources, if you have knowledge, then create contents and also create checklist, templates, or shareable infographics and others, so people can directly interact with you, like who is creating this and who is the owner, okay. Then get links from business profiles and directories. You can submit your business, trusted business directories like Yelp, Crunchbase, like Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, industry specific platform. Like you can just add your business in Yelp. Okay. When you will be in Yelp, and also you can add your business in Google Map. Okay. Google Map. Just add your business in Google Maps and Yelp. It will help you to get external traffic. It will help you to get trust authority and other thing. Okay, these are the recommended site. Okay, so you can use this site to use your own backlink tactics. So these are the full topic and also full idea, so you can build your backlink tactics in 2025. So if you have any question to directly ask me, just hit the subscribe button and contact me through email. Thank you very much.